Watch out now. Watch out. Watch out now. Howdy, hey, welcome back. We got another video, y'all. First, y'all already know what's coming. Go ahead and like the video, comment in the video, wait to the end of the video, comment again, but make sure y'all subscribe, guys. Subscribe button gonna be somewhere down there. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all hit the post notification bell so y'all able to be notified when we post another video. We thank you for that. Back to the video, y'all. So I got this Banks 21 degree round head frame and nailer. Y'all, I've been trying to get this product now for probably about a month or so, and I just went on and bite the bullet and said, hey, I'm gonna get it. I got future plans for this product, so make sure y'all stay tuned to the videos because it's gonna be a very, very, very special. It's gonna be special. Just know that. I'm not gonna go into details. It's a surprise. So we're gonna get into this video right now that we're talking about today, and I'll be right back with an unboxing. Back at it, y'all. So hey, let's do this unboxing. Let's see what all comes with it, what it looks like out the box. So yeah, man, kind of just bought this product because like I said, I got future plans, and the only way y'all gonna find out what those plans are if y'all continually watch the videos. So hey, with that, enough talking about the future plans. We can just open this box. You don't need that no more. They go instruction manual. You probably need that either. So we got some Allen wrenches, y'all. I'm not sure what they're for. So y'all, here's the product. Here is the product. I guess the Allen wrenches are used to take off the frame. Hopefully I wouldn't have to do that. But here's the product, man. It's not too bad. It has a little weight to it. This is the magazine, and it's a 21 degree nail gun, so the nail is going to be 21 degrees angled. So here's the product. I mean, there's nothing else in it but the gun and a set of wrenches. It says here, I was about to say that's not the language I speak right there. It says to all daily are warranty void. My warranty may be void right now, but hey, only thing to it now is to hook a compressor up to it, put some oil in the head, and let's see what it's gonna do. I'll be right back with y'all. Y'all, I'm back. So I threw the box just a little too quick. I didn't go through the specifications with y'all. So the specifications basically, it's a 21 degree fastener angle, which is the magazine is angled at 21 degrees. So when the nails go in, they go in at 21 degrees. It's capable of shooting between a 2-inch to a 3.5 inch nail length. So the nails are able to be from 2 inches to 3.5 inches. That's this magazine is capable of holding. The magazine itself is capable of holding up to 70 nails at a time. The PSI, which is the pounds per square inch, it's rated at 70 to 120. So you're able to set your compressor between 70 and 120, and it theoretically it should work from what they're saying, but you know, that could be a little off depending on the type of compressor you're using and things like that. The weight of the tool is 8.6 pounds. 8.6 pounds. It feels more like 10 pounds. But hey, who am I to judge? It feels more like 10 pounds. But enough of that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the air compressor I'm gonna be using to power this nail gun today. And the only reason I'm showing you this air compressor so you'll know that you don't need a big, expensive, flashy, fancy air compressor. You just need something to get the job done. And also, the price of this product is listed in the store for I think like $99. I ended up getting a coupon, and I only spent about $80 on the product. So with $80, I walked out the store with a nail gun. So I'll be right back with the air compressor, and then we're gonna get right into the review. I'll be right back. So guys, This is what the air compressor that we're using. It's a Hyper Tough, only a little 1 gallon air compressor. My hand is pretty much bigger than the little motor that's on it, so that'll tell you exactly what it is. I currently have it set to 100 psi, and the range was between 70 to 120 psi, so we should be safe at 100 psi. So the only thing now is to get the hose and connect it. Guys, I don't really have any compressor oil. All I currently have is some hydraulic oil, but hey, I don't want to void my warranty, so this is all I got. I'm not telling you to do the same, but it's just all. It should be all right one-time use, and I don't want to void my warranty, so I'm gonna dump some oil in it. That should be enough. All right, guys, what we're gonna do is connect our air line to the nail gun first. Safety first, guys. Let's put our nails in first. So here I have a box of Craftsman nails that I bought from Lowe's, 18 bucks. And how you load the nail gun is 21 degrees angled, so you want to make sure you have it angled the right way. So what you want to do is you want to slide your nails in. Once you have your nails slid all the way in, this I don't know what it's called, but let's take this release mechanism. You push this tab right here back, hold it, slide it to the end of the nails, and there it goes. It already caught on all the nails. Now we're just gonna connect our air hose. We're gonna get into seeing what it's gonna do. All right, so on this gun, it has like a single fire mode and a rapid fire mode. So we're gonna look at single fire first and see what it does. And this is basically like your exhaust, so you're able to turn it and twist it so that it always blows the air away from you. So here I have a piece of 4x4. Just gonna take a shot at it and see what it's gonna do. It went all the way through, guys. Hey, don't mess up the video now. Guys, it doesn't have a problem shooting the nails all the way through. Air compressor just kicked on. Alright guys, we back. I didn't want to bore y'all with the air compressor noise, but we're back. Y'all already saw the single shot, and now I'm going to turn it to pretty much like the rapid fire. And I think the only thing you have to do is hold the trigger, and when you compress this little trigger here, that's when it's going to shoot. So all you have to do is hold the trigger down, and there you go, rapid fire. That could be very dangerous though. It happens so fast. That could have been dangerous at first though. But guys, that's the rapid fire mode. You can go back to the single mode, and it has this depth gauge. I'm not sure if it works or not, but we're gonna try it. So that should not sink as deep as the rest of them, and it didn't. So it works. The depth gauge works. But I also wanted to show you guys like the safety feature that it has. I'm not sure what it's called, but it allows you not to be able to shoot all the nails out of the magazine. So when it's like 1 or 2 nails left, it won't allow you to shoot them. So we're gonna see if it's gonna work. Guys, the air compressor is on, but as you can see, there's 3 nails left in the gun, and it kind of has like a safety feature where it's not allowing you to shoot anymore after those 3 nails. So all right guys, we're back. some of the cons of having a small air compressor. Your air compressor is going to continue to keep running, but as you saw, that the safety feature wouldn't allow us to shoot any more nails, but as you can see, it actually is 3 nails left in the gun. So I have another set of nails that we're gonna slide in, and like I said, you just slide them in, take this release mechanism, push the button, slide it back till you get to the end of the nails, and it's already latched on. So this last couple of shots, I'm gonna just have 2 pieces of 2x4. So guys, with that being said, I mean, hey, you know it works. Hey, safety first. But guys, with that being said, you know that the gun works. It seems like it's going to be a good product. Once we get started with the actual project that I have in mind, you guys are going to see it in actual working mode. You're going to see how it holds up, and we're going to see if it's going to hold the abuse, if it's going to actually be worth the the $80 that we spent on this product. And I forgot to talk about the grip. The grip is pretty good. Once you start working and get a little bit of dirt and wood dust on it, it might be a little better, but it's not the best, but it's all right. So with that being said, guys, I thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and hey, y'all be blessed, and we're gonna be back with y'all on another video. Peace.